This is Zach, and back to Yoga Science here, and we're talking about the Zodiac Wheel and its evolution and how it's the first science, and how we can apply this science to many types of. You could do yoga with it. You can use it for body work. You could use it for psychotherapy. You could use it for just planting, gardening, everything in natural life. So we're going over the distinctions of uh, what the zodiac uh, signs are and why they are in the order that they're in. And what we established already is that Aries is a number one, and Taurus is a number two, and Gemini is a number three, and that would make Aries cardinal, Taurus fixed, and Gemini mutable. And that would be, Aries starts spring, and so we can see here, and that's the beginnings. And this whole quadrant here is a beginning. So it's the beginning quadrant. So now we're in this is the cardinal quadrant. So now we're in here. We're going to talk about this quadrant, which is the fixed quadrant. And it's if it was in the 12-month year, this would be summer in this section, or was the time of day, it would be from 12 noon to 6 p.m. This is the hot part of the day. See here, right, 2, 3 o'clock is always the hottest part of the day because it's a fixed point. It's the fixed quadrant. So in the fixed quadrant of summer, we have the cardinal sign. You see, now we're starting a new quadrant, so it's cardinal again. We have Cancer, and then after Cancer, we have Leo. Oops, Leo a little bit. There we go. And then we have after Leo, we have Virgo. And let me draw these better for you here. Here's Cancer. That's the glyph for it. Here's Leo. And here's Virgo. And again, so Cancer will always be a 4 or 4th position. Leo always means 5th position or 5, and Virgo always means 6th or the 6th position of the sun in the day going over your sky. And it also, you see here number 6. It's an ending. So it's the west. For the sun sets, and we don't see it anymore for at least 12 hours sometimes. And there's the east. Cancer has that distinction of balance, and the top of the day, it's the birth of water, of Isis, of the star Sirius comes up starting at this point, the summer solstice, and the longest day, the sun's highest point in the day or the year would be June 21st, Cancer, up at this top section here. So there's those 3 zodiac signs and their glyphs, what they look like, and we're talking about Cancer, and we're talking about Leo, and we're talking about Virgo, 4, 5, and 6. And then next video, we'll talk about this quadrant, which would be, it's going to be winter. Oh, excuse me, it's going to be fall in this quadrant, and we'll discuss those three zodiac signs with those three numbers, 7, 8, and 9.